Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be changing out the air filter element on this 2014 Audi Q5 3-liter supercharge. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and we will get started here in just a moment. First, you want to pop your hood, obviously, driver's side door. Pretty dark down here, but pop your hood, go to the front. Now from the front, there's a lever right here. This is what I pulled up on. Pull it all the way up. Now from the top of the car, this is where your AIRBOX is. So let me find out what kind of Torx size that is. Let me zoom in for you. But yeah, it's just a Torx bit. One moment. Alright, so remove these Torx nuts right here all around the outer ring. It is a Torx 25. And they actually don't come out, it just comes out like that, so there's a retaining clip in there. So back them all out. There's two more down here. 1 and 2. Back those both out as well. Okay. Clips right here. Pull them up. There's one more down here on the bottom. Should, in theory, just go that way. And there we go. Pull this box upward. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay. Ooh, that's what mine looks like. It's super dirty. Okay. And go ahead and pull it off and change it out with your replacement. Alright, so if you go over to this area over here, a little workbench, this is a Torx. Let me zoom in. Torx 15. You're going to back that off, and then this should come right off. Go get my replacement filter. Here's my replacement. Looks brand new. Part number on this is right there in the frame. This is one I picked off of Amazon. I don't think it's OEM because it says it's made in China. But to assemble it, obviously do everything back in reverse. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.